Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Proud Apple Tree. A moral story: never show off the accomplishments. In a beautiful parkland, an apple tree and an oak tree stood side by side. The apple tree got many visitors. The gardener watered it every day and took good care of it. But no one even looked at the barren oak tree. It stood there all by itself. One day, the apple tree said to the oak tree, "Oak tree, look at my juicy fruit. People love me and sit under my branches. But nobody comes to see you. It's so sad." The oak tree kept quiet. Many months later, when all the apples were ripe, a group of boys came and climbed the apple tree to pick some apples. They broke many branches and took most of the apples. The tree shed many leaves and looked empty. The oak tree said, "Apple tree, are you all right? You were proud of your fruit. But see now. It is the cause of your hurt."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.